Arro card activation. Problems usually happen because of incorrect card details, incomplete account setup, or an issue preventing the activation process from finishing. By the end, you'll know the steps to check when your Arro card will not activate and what to do if the problem continues. Start by checking that you are entering the correct card information during activation. The card number and other required details must match the information connected to your Arro account. Use the official Arro activation process and carefully review every field before submitting. A single incorrect entry can prevent activation from completing. If your card information is correct, check your Arro account status. Activation may not work if your account setup is incomplete, or if there are pending steps that need to be completed. Open the Arro app or account portal and look for any alerts, messages, or instructions. Complete any requested actions before attempting activation again. If you received a replacement card, make sure you are activating the newest card. Older card information may no longer work after a replacement has been issued. If the activation page or app is not working, try closing the app completely and reopening it. You can also check for app updates and install the latest version before trying again. A connection issue can also interrupt activation. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection before submitting your activation request. If activation fails after checking your information and account status, contact Arro support through the official support options. Explain exactly where the activation process stops and include any error message shown. Providing the exact step where the problem happens helps support identify whether the issue is related to your account, your card information, or a technical problem. Avoid repeatedly entering the same details without checking them first. Incorrect information will continue causing the same activation failure. The fastest fixes are verifying your card details, completing any missing account steps, updating the app if needed, and contacting Arro support when the issue remains unresolved. To recap, an Arro card that will not activate is usually caused by incorrect information, unfinished setup, or a technical issue. Check your account reactivation carefully, and use official support if you still cannot activate the card. Your next step is to open the Arro app and review the activation steps from the beginning. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other finance app troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.